Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to use the camera tool in Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the subject. So here you can see that I have some data with me in which you have country name, states, the quarter and the names of 5 board games and their corresponding sales. Now what I want to do is, suppose I would like to take a snapshot of this particular set of data. In order to do so, Excel provides a wonderful tool which is called as the camera tool. If you can see in my quick access toolbar over here, you have the camera option. So before we start with the usage of this camera tool, I'll first show you how to get the camera tool into your quick access toolbar. In order to do so, we'll click on this drop down next to the quick access toolbar, and over here you have a feature called as more commands. So I click on more commands, and then over here in this drop down where it is showing you popular commands, I click over here and I select all commands. Now it will show me set of all my commands available in Excel. So I will scroll down to C, and in C you will see that right in the beginning you will get a feature called as camera. So we select camera and click on add. Then we click on OK. You can see in my case the camera is already added, so I would click on OK, and then you would get the camera option in your quick access toolbar. Now let us see how to utilize this camera tool. First we will highlight the data which we want to take a snapshot, and then in the quick access tool I would click on the camera tool. Now I would click on any location where I want the snapshot should come, and you can see that I got a snapshot of the data. The beauty of this snapshot which I have taken through the camera tool is that I can size it to any size of my choice without bothering to increase or decrease the dimensions of the row or the column. At the same time, you can notice that this data is in real time. So if I click over here and I change the contents to 0, you can see it gets reflected in the screenshot as well. I can select all the data and I can delete, and it gets reflected over here as well. Now you can also copy your screenshot into another sheet as well. So let me make one more sheet by clicking on this plus icon, and let's revert back to our original sheet. I would highlight the data, I would click on the camera tool, I would come on the next sheet and click at a new location, and you can see the data comes here as well. So this way you can utilize the camera tool of Microsoft Excel. So friends, hope you have learned something new. So with this we end this lecture, and we'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.